Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download exported videos on Capcut browser. So this is on the browser one, not on the PC app. So you're just going to select export, but you have to log in first, so I'm just going to do that really quick. And then once I've logged in, I'm just going to skip for these. Once you've logged on, you're just going to export it. Okay, hold on. It's being backed up, so I can't. Okay, there. Export that, change the name. I'm just going to choose this and export. And then I'm just going to wait for the video to export. I think it's going to take quite a while. Okay, I guess this doesn't, you can't view it here, but then you can just select these three dots and then select download. And then it's going to download, as you can see right here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!